Assalamu alaikum, class 7. This is your science lecture. We are going to read unit number 8. This is second lecture of unit number 8, transmission of heat. We will read page 102 to page 105. First, our topic is convection currents in nature. Its first application is monsoon wind. Monsoon wind. Hot air from the earth rises and cold air rushes to take its place. The moving air is called wind. Monsoon wind are convection current wind which blow due to difference in temperature between land and sea. In the diagram you are clearly seeing the monsoon wind on land and moving it toward the sea. Next topic is thermal. The upward current of warm air that rises by convection are called thermals. The air in the thermal can rise at very great speed. This can be of great use to human and birds like eagle who fly by gliding because they can use these thermals to gain height without using any of their own energy. Pilots of light aircraft try to avoid flying through convection clouds because the air inside the cloud is turbulent. This means that there is a swirling around the great speed. This can make the aircraft lose control. Birds use thermals to rise without use of energy. Next, our topic is land and sea breeze. Student, this is very important topic. You have to learn the land breeze and sea breeze. First, sea breeze. What is sea breeze? During the daytime, the land heat up quickly by heat of sun. As a result, air above it become hot. लैंड पे एयर जो है वो हॉट हो जाती है एज दिस एयर एक्सपैंड एंड राइजेस द कूलर एयर फ्रॉम द सी ब्लो इट टू टेक इट्स प्लेस दिस इज कॉल्ड सी ब्रीज लैंड पे एयर जो है वो हॉट अप हो जाती है और राइज अप ऊपर की तरफ उठ जाती है तो समंदर से सी से डिफरेंट जो है ब्रीजेस हवाएं जो हैं लैंड पे आ जाती हैं उसकी जगह लेने तो इनको हम सी ब्रीजेस कहते हैं. Land breeze, it is totally opposite to the sea breeze. At night time at sea water which has absorbed heat during the day remain hot for longer time than the land and so the air above the sea warm up. अब नाइट टाइम में क्या हो रहा है कि सी में जो वाटर है वो ऑलरेडी हीट अब्जॉर्ब कर चुका होता है सारा दिन सन से तो उसके ऊपर जो एयर होती है वो वार्म अप हो जाती है. The air expand and rises. In this way the convection current is reserved. अब reserve current होगा. अब जो breezes आएंगी वो land से आएंगी. The breezes now blow from the cooler land to the sea is called land breeze. Student, you have to learn this both topics, sea breeze and land breeze. Ocean currents. Ocean currents are formed due to convection. Convection की वजह से ये होता है. In hot region of earth, ocean water get hot and expand and become lighter. In cold region of water is cold and heavy. Hot water move along the surface of ocean toward the cold region. The cold water flow below the surface of ocean toward the hot region to form ocean current. Hot water जो है वो मूव करता है ओशन की सरफेस की तरफ जहाँ पे कोल्ड रीजन हो जबकि कोल्ड वाटर फ्लो जो है करता है ओशन की बिलो सरफेस की तरफ जहाँ पे हॉट रीजन हो तो इस तरह ओशन करंट जो है ये मेंटेन होता है. नेक्स्ट आवर टॉपिक इज एप्लीकेशन ऑफ कन्वेक्शन इन आवर डेली लाइफ. फर्स्ट यूज ऑफ कन्वेक्शन इन चिमनी एंड वेंटिलेटर. Chimney and ventilator are most common example of use of convection. They allow hot air to rise and escape through them. In factories, these chimneys are used to escape hot air. Second, air conditioners, common AC. An air conditioner gives out cool air. The cool air is heavier than the room air, so it sinks and warm air of room rises. The air conditioner pulls warm air to cool it. In this way, convection current are formed and help to cool the room. Room heater, the electric element in electric heater heat the air which rises up and cold air flow in at the bottom to replace the hot air. Next, hot water geyser. The hot water geyser are used in our home. It uses convection to provide us the warm water. The flame heat water in the boiler, produce a convection current in water. The heated water rise up and move through the pipe to give us hot water in the tap. Next topic is radiation. Radiation is a particular way in which energy travels. This energy not to be carried by the medium such as solid, liquid or gas. It can travel in space because it is not carried by moving particles which need a medium to travel in. The earth is heated by heat radiated from the sun. This heat travels through space and reaches the earth as waves. Some of it is absorbed and some of it is reflected back. Some good absorber of heat radiation are also good emitters. Dull black color surfaces are the best absorber of radiation. They hardly reflect any radiation at all. Dull black surfaces are the best emitter of radiation. Shiny silver surfaces are the worst absorber of radiation. They reflect all the radiation that strikes them. These are the bad emitter of radiation. There are some application of radiation in our daily life. Solar panel. Solar panel are the application of radiation. In countries where sun shines throughout the year, solar panel are used to heat water and even make electricity. Keeping food warm. Some shiny aluminium foils keep food dishes warm when they are served on the table. Shiny kettles keep the heat longer than other sort of kettle, or they reflect the heat produced inside. Third one application is car sunscreen. Sunscreen are placed inside the windscreen of car to reflect the heat ray from the sun. The surface of screen facing the sun is polished silver to reflect the infrared rays. Greenhouse trap heat. Radiation from sun passes easily through glass wall of greenhouse. It warms the plant. Inside the warm plant also radiates heat which does not pass out through the glass. अब ग्रीन हाउस में सन की जो हीट है वो वेव की सूरत में एंटर तो हो जाती है बट रेडिएट बैक नहीं होती, तो सारी जो हीट है वो ग्रीन हाउस के अंदर ही मौजूद होती है. दिस बिल्ड अप हीट इन द ग्रीन हाउस. Okay student, this was your lecture number 2. Now your home task is that you have to read page 102 to page number 105 and learn a question, sea breeze and land breeze. Thanks a lot.